10. Fun with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. Say aloud. 1 bird, 2 bananas, 3 pens, 4 pencils, 5 flowers, 6 bats, 7 stones, 8 ants, 9 eggs, 10 pineapples. Next 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 fingers on my right, 5 fingers on my left. 2 hands and 10 fingers I do have. 5 toes on my right, 5 toes on my left. 2 feet and 10 toes I do have. Next, let's try this. Join the numbers to draw the picture of an animal. Which animal is it? This is deer. Now color the picture. Next, to count them. Birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pond. 1. Clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squirrels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boys. 1, 2. girls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 3. Trace these letters. I. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. T. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. L. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. E. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. F. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. H. 1 is done for you. Next, do this. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.